made for the Earth, so I've got to solder that back on. But yeah, so have you extended your earth wire on that then, Peter?
No, the earth wire was the same length, and so I discovered that it was longer than 3'3", I think. But the actual rod was actually longer than the radial. Thinking, no, that was the other way round. The radial was longer than the actual whip. Thinking about it. And I think that's the best way to do when you got basically a grain. You know, I was telling you when I made a grain plane aerial years ago for this band. I don't know how I came about it, but I did it, and I know that the radials were a little bit longer than only about a couple of inches, slightly longer than the actual vertical on it. You know, and that was my first 4-metre aerial that I made up.
So is your radial 33 inches long then, or is it longer now then?
It's a bit longer. It's probably near about 35.
Okay, I'll go and make another one up in a bit.